Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. I'm excited.
Wonderful. Are you ready to learn something new?
Yes, we are.
Today, we are going to talk about animals. Do you like animals?
I love animals. Me too.
Great. Let's start. Can you name some animals?
Dog. Cat. Elephant.
Very good. Now, what sound does a dog make?
Woof woof.
That's right. And what about a cat?
Meow meow.
Excellent. And an elephant?
Maa.
Wow, that's a great elephant sound. Can anyone tell me where elephants live?
In the jungle.
Yes, and they also live in savannas. Do you know what a savanna is?
Is it like a big field?
Exactly. It's a big grassy area where animals like elephants live. Now, let's play a game. I'll describe an animal and you guess what it is. Ready?
Ready! Yay!
This animal has stripes and runs very fast.
A tiger.
Close, but this animal lives on the savanna.
A zebra.
Yes, a zebra. Good job. Let's try another one. This animal can fly and has colorful feathers.
A parrot.
That's right. You're all so smart. Okay, now let's draw our favorite animals. What animal will you draw?
I'm going to draw a lion. I'll draw a butterfly. I want to draw a dolphin.
Those are wonderful choices. Let's take 10 minutes to draw. Ready, set, go.
After 10 minutes.
Wow, look at all these amazing drawings. Who wants to show their drawing to the class?
I do.
Tell us about your lion.
I drew a big lion with a mane. He's the king of the jungle.
That's fantastic. Who's next?
I'll go. I drew a butterfly with rainbow wings.
So colorful. I love it. And last one.
I drew a dolphin jumping in the ocean.
Amazing! Dolphins are such fun animals. You all did such a great job today. Now, let's pack up and get ready for lunch.
Yay!
Don't forget, tomorrow, we're learning about shapes. See you all tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. For watching more education